how to post a story on Instagram from your PC. So let's go to Instagram. Over here you'll see there is no story posting. So what do? Right click on the mouse anywhere and then go to inspect. Here you can see a layout, looks like a phone screen. Over here you have a plus like on your phone. When you click on that, you still don't have the option to post a story. All you need to do is just refresh the page, and when you refresh you'll see this plus sign gone and it will appear over here at the top right. So let's refresh it. And as you can see, it's over here and we don't have the plus here. So when you click now, you have a story. That's where you post a story. So if I click on that, then I can choose what I want to post. Let's say I want to post these camels. If you want to add some text, whatever you want, you can do that. And now if you click share story, it's gonna go to your story. And that's it. That's how you post a story on Instagram.